Wow. Cute. Please subscribe.
Looking for a shade when it's hot, I've been low-key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Really afternoon.
Yes!
Yeah! Looking back at my life and I got it. Yeah, but
Wow.
really afternoon. It's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline. Looking back at my life and I gotta say.
We need marker colors, computer sheets, cardboard, scissor, pencil, cutter, glue, tape. Let's start to make.
Looking for a shade when it's hot, I've been low-key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Really afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Really afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Dreams keep flying away. It's somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low-key and I'm trying to stop.
Please leave a comment. What would I make in my next video? Thank you.
It's been a while since I ran into you on the street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you. And you're not feeling blue. I feel the rainbow down my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low-key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Really afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Really afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life and I gotta say it's one of a kind. I slip to
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.